Next thing we'll discuss about the multimedia of audio tag. So I'm just entering the audio tag. We have some music in our file. So I'm taking the music of theme of 3. So, and instead of writing some alter text here, we need to give in this, like I'm giving as theme of a theme of 3. Okay. So and still we are unable to see anything on the browser, right? So for that we need to write some controls here uh, to give the controls to the mp3 audio play. So now we are able to see this, and we are able to play, pause the music, and mute, unmute, and even we have an option to download and playback speed. So this is about the controls of audio tag. And what else we have is we can loop through, like if the song finish, we can play over it. If the song finish, we can start over it again automatically. And another thing, the best feature is autoplay. So when the browser reloads it, it automatically starts playing the audio, right? This is the advantage. Like when we open some Facebook, we are able to scroll the newsfeed there. We are able to see the videos playing automatically. The same feature they have applied there. And even we can start give it as muted, so that when the page reloads, it starts loading, but the audio will be muted. So this is about the audio tag. I think you are able to understand about this audio. Now we'll jump into the video tag. Okay. Yeah. So coming to video tag, let me break down this. And after that, video, just we can write that with video similar to audio tag. Here I'm just giving the video file. We have the facts of life, right? I'm just given the facts of life. Let me give some width and height for this. Width and height. Width is equal to 100 pixel. Yeah, this will be fine. We don't have any height issues, so okay. And what else we need to give? Even to play, pause the thing, we need to give some controls for that. I'm just giving the controls to HTML page, so we are able to see, right?
Son.
Yeah, so we are able to check that. I'm just stopping this autoplay for the mp3. And after that, what else we have? The same thing what we have applied for audio tag, that the entire thing can be applied in video tag, because both are similar kind of things. So this is about video tag. If you have any doubts in video or audio or image, you can comment down. I'll try to resolve that issue. And coming to the last thing is source element. Let me write here, let me mention audio and video as B and video, right? So it will be differentiated individually. Then what else we can write about? Yeah, we have source element. So for generally source helps us to specify the alternative or multiple media resources. Just like here we have mp3, right? mp3 format. If unfortunately mp3 file has been deleted from my folder or from the server, what we can do, instead of mp3 we have different kind of extensions like ogg, mp3, uh, wav, so different kind of things, right? Let me show you. Let me take an example of audio. We have audio element, and I'm just writing source, not inside the audio element. We'll take a source here. We have taken source src. Src stands for the what can I say, the music thing, the source location of that. And just I'm taking the theme of image. And what is the type of this music is mp3, right? So we need to give as audio slash mp3. If in this case we don't have mp3 file, but we have some ogg format, then automatically the browser will capture the ogg, or in some cases the browser may not support mp3 and supports ogg. At that case, it will directly take the ogg format from the file, and it will provide that. So this is about audio, video, image and source attributes, right? I think this helps you a lot. So if you find this video helpful, please support my channel, and thanks for watching the video completely, and congratulations, you have completed the entire HTML course. I think you are now capable of building some static websites. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I hope you have I hope you I hope you all cleared the concepts. This is the end of the video, and even this is the end of the series of HTML. We have completed the entire HTML series in these videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the channel.